Hello friends, welcome to my channel Padra Tutorial. In this video I'll be discussing one GATE question, okay, which was asked in GATE 2020. Okay, so this is the question and it was from C programming. Okay, so and question number 46. Okay, question number 46, and it was 2 marks question. It was not a multiple choice question, it was fill in the blanks. If you correct it, 2 marks, otherwise 0, no negative marks was there. Okay, so there are two functions are there, function 1 and function 2, and the question is the return value of function 2 and the parameter is passing 5. Okay, so if you call the function 2 by passing parameter 5, what will be the output? That was the question. Okay, and this question is based on the static storage class. Okay, so there is one keyword called static. If you have understood what is static storage class, then you can easily solve this question. Okay, so just briefly let me tell briefly. The static variables have local scope and program lifetime. That means what? Static variable can be accessed within a function or within a block, but it has function lifetime, means till the termination of the program that static variable will be alive. Okay, and it will persist the previous step value. Okay, and the variable is created only once in the program. Okay, so these are the few points you have to remember, and if you don't know what is static storage class, you can go through my previous video. I have already uploaded in C programming lecture series. Okay, and come back to this video so that you can easily follow this question. Okay, and this is only the concept of static storage class, nothing else. Okay, so just let me start this. Let me solve this problem. Okay, so it is calling the function 2 by passing 5 as a parameter, right? So here n equal to 5, so 5 will be passed here. Okay, and let me draw like this. Okay, so in left side I'll maintain all the variables of function 1. Okay, function 1, and in right side I will maintain all the variables of function 2. Okay, so this will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so first it will call the function 2 by passing 5 as a parameter, so 5 will be coming here, then it will get inside the function 2, right? And there one static variable is declared, that is I equal to 0. Okay, in function 2, so I equal to initially 0. Okay, then if n is greater than 0, what is the value of n right now? N equal to 5, right? So this condition is satisfying, so these two statements will be executed, right? Then what is the first statement? This one, and second one is this one, right? So this is now calling one function called function 1. So I equal to I plus whatever value this function will return, that will be added to I, right? So now n equal to 5, so by passing 5 as a parameter we are calling function 1. So now it will control will go to, from this line control will go to this function, right? Now n equal to 5 here. Okay, now it will get inside the function 1, then again it is declaring one static variable I equal to 0. Now see, as I said earlier, static variable has local scope. That means this I and this I are two different variables. Okay, so this I will be accessed only in this function, and this I will be visible or accessed in this function 2 only. Okay, and these are two separate variable, and separate memory will be allocated for both of them. Okay, so let's initialize what I equal to 0 again. Okay, I equal to 0, then if n is greater than 0, now see n equal to what? 5. So 5 is greater than 0, condition satisfying, so these two statements will be executed, right? Now I plus plus, I was 0, so it will be incremented to 1. Okay, and then again it is calling the function 1 by passing n minus 1 as a parameter. Right now n equal to what? 5, and now it is passing n minus 1, that is 4. Okay, now it is passing 4 as a parameter and calling the same function again. So again it will come inside the function 1, and since it is static variable I will be 1 only, it will not change. Okay, and again it will check whether n is greater than 0 or not. Right now the value of n is 4, so this condition will satisfy, then again get inside the if block, and again it will be incremented. I value will be incremented to what? 2. Okay, I value will be incremented to 2, then again it will call the function by passing n minus 1. Right now n is 4, n minus 1 is what? 3, so 3 will be coming here again. sorry 3. Okay, 3. Then again it will get inside the function 1. Then again it will check the value of n. 3 is greater than 0, condition satisfy. Increment the value of I to 3 and call the same function again by passing 2 as a parameter, right? So now I'm calling this function again by passing 2 as a parameter, n minus 1 nothing but 2. Okay, then again it will check 2 is greater than 0, condition satisfy. Increment the value of I to 4. Okay, then again call the same function by passing n minus 1 as a parameter, n equal to 2 now, so 1 will be passed here. So now 1 will be passed here. Okay, then again 1 is greater than 0, condition satisfy. Get inside the if block, increment the value of I to 5. Okay, 5. Then again call the same function by passing n minus 1 as a parameter, n equal to what? 1. So n minus 1 equal to 0. Now again call the same function by passing 0 as a parameter. Okay, now again it will get inside the function 1. Then it will check the if condition. Now 0 is greater than 0. No, this condition is not satisfying right now. Okay, so since this condition is not satisfying, these two statements will not be executed. Directly it will come to what? I, return I, right? So what is the value of I right now? The value of I is 5, right? This one, current value of I is 5. So 5 will be returned to which line? This line, right here, this one. Okay, so this function will return 5. Okay, so 5 plus what is the value of I in function 2? 0 only, right? So 5 plus 0 equal to what? 5. So I value will be now changed to what? 5. This is because of 0 plus 5. Okay, this one. Okay, now this line is completed now, right? Now it will go to the next line, this function. Now again this function is calling itself by passing n minus 1 as a parameter. So what is the value of n right now in this function? N equal to 5. Now n minus 1 equal to 4. So here it will pass 4 as a parameter now, and it will call the same function again. Again it will get inside the function 2. 4 is greater than 0. Then these two statements will be executed, right? So I equal to I plus function 1 of n. Now n equal to 4. Again we are calling the same function, that is function 1, by passing 4 as a parameter here. Okay, so again it will come to this function like this. Okay, so let me erase these things. Okay, in previous step we did these things, right? Now it will pass, now it will come here. Okay, by passing 4 as a parameter, right? Then again it will execute the same way it was executed in the previous step. Okay, so again it will come inside this function 1. Then 4 is greater than 0. Then these two statements will be executed, I plus plus. Now see, I in function 1 is right now 5. Okay, the current value of, okay, one iteration is completed. Okay, now current value of I is what? 5, and in this side I equal to what? 5. Okay, now 4 is greater than 0. Then I plus plus and call the same function again. Okay, so I plus plus means what? 5 will be incremented to 6. Okay, then again call the same function by passing n minus 1 as a parameter. N equal to what right now? 4. So by passing 3 as a parameter, call the same function again. Again it will come to this line, and 3 is greater than 0, condition satisfy. I plus plus, I equal to 7. Then call the same function again by passing 3 minus 1 equal to 2 as a parameter. Okay, then again get inside the function 2 is greater than 0, I plus plus, I equal to 8. Then call the same function by passing n minus 1, n equal to right now 2, 2 minus 1 equal to 1 as a parameter. Okay, then again get inside the function 1 is greater than 0, condition satisfy. I plus plus, I equal to 9. Then call the same function again by passing n minus 1 as a parameter. N equal to what right now? 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So by passing 0 as a parameter, call the same function again, and it will get inside the function 1, and 0 is not greater than 0, right? So this condition is not satisfying, so these two statements will not be executed. Directly it will go to the return. Okay, so return I equal to what right now? The current value of I is 9 in function 1, so 9 will be returned. So it will come here, okay, as a 9. Okay, second time it will return 9, and 9 plus 5 in function 2 I am saying. So function 2, the value of I is what? 5, and 5 plus 9 equal to 14. Okay, so this will becomes now 14. This is because of 5 plus 9. This is the return value from function 1. Okay, now second iteration completed. Okay, now it will come to this line again. Okay, the flow of execution is this. It is coming like this. In this line it is calling the function 1, it will execute this function, then return something, add it, then again it will execute the remaining code. Okay, now it will pass again n minus 1, n equal to what? 4. Now 3 is a parameter, right? Now again 3 is greater than 0, so it will execute this line. So by passing n equal to 3, it will call the function 1. Now see, in first step, when I executed this function 1 by passing 5 as a parameter, the I value was incremented 5 times, right? And when in the second iteration I passed 4 as a parameter, the I value was incremented 4 times, right? 1 2 3 4. This was the original value. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, in this case 1 2 3 4 5, this was the original value. So first time incremented, second time incremented, third time incremented, fourth time, and fifth times, right? So now I am calling the function 1 by passing 3 as a parameter, right? So it will increment the I value 3 times. That's it. Okay, so in the third iteration, current value of I is what? 9, and it will increment 3 times. Okay, so it will becomes 10, 11, and 12, right? So these are now cutting. So final value will be 12. So 12 will be coming or returning the function 1, and it will come to here. Okay, so now in the third iteration it is returning 12. Okay, and 12 plus I, current value of I in function 2 is what? 14, right? So I equal to 14, and 14 plus 12 equal to what? It will be 14 plus 12 equal to 26. Okay, 26, it will becomes 26. That is because of what? 14 plus 12. Okay, so this value was returned by function 1, 12. Okay, now third iteration completed. Now this line is completed, right? Now again it will come to this line. So again it will call function 2 by passing n minus 1 as a parameter. So previously n was 3, now it will pass 2 here as a parameter, and it will call the function. Now it will get inside the function 2. Now 2 is greater than 0, again condition satisfying, so it will execute these two statements. Again I have to call the function 1 by passing 2 as a parameter. So I value will be incremented 2 times, right? So current value of I is what? 12, and since I am calling the function 1 by passing 2 as a parameter, 2 times this value will be incremented, right? So it will becomes what? 12 to 13, again 13 to 14, so it will return 14 here. Okay, now the I value in function 2 will be, current value of I in function 2 is what? 26, and the return value of function 1 is 12. So 20, not 12, it will return what? 14. Okay, it will return 14. So 26 plus 14. Okay, 26 plus 14. So 26 plus 14 equal to what? 26 plus 14 equal to 26 plus 14 equal to what? 30. No, 26 plus 14 equal to 30. How come it is 30? 26 4 30 40, 40, right? So this will be 40. Okay, okay, fine, it is correct. Okay, so now the current value of I is 14 in function 1, and I is 40 in function 2. Okay, now again this will call the same function 2 by passing n minus 1 as a parameter, right? So right now the value of n is what? 2. So n minus 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So again it will call the same function by passing 1 as a parameter. Okay, again 1 is greater than 0, condition satisfy, get inside the if block and call the same function by passing 1 as a parameter. So if I am calling function 1 by passing 1 as a parameter, then 1 time the I value will be incremented here, right? So right now the I value is 14, so it will becomes what? 15, and it will return 15 to this function, right? So 15 will be coming here now. 15 will be coming here, and this will be added to current value of I in function 2. So current value of I in function 2 is what? 40, and 40 plus, let me write here, 40 plus 15, okay, equal to what? 55. Okay, and this is the return value from function 1. This was the current value. Okay, now this iteration also completed. Now n equal to 1. Now again it will call the function 2 by passing n minus 1 as a parameter, right? So n equal to what right now? 1, and 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So it will call the function 2 by passing 0 as a parameter here. Okay, 0 as a parameter. Now n equal to 0, it will come inside the function 2. If n is greater than 0, 0 is greater than 0, no. Now this condition is not satisfying. So this time these two instruction will not be executed. Directly it will go to this line. Okay, and it will return the current value of I in function 2. Okay, not in function 1. Now see, the current value of I in function 1 is 15 and current value of I in function 2 is 55. Okay, and what it is returning? The value of I in function 2, right? So this will return 55. Okay, so 55 is the answer. Okay, so 55 is the answer in this problem. Okay, so this was the 2 marks question in GATE 2020 and it was very easy, and the concept was only that static storage class. Okay, so I think you have understood this problem, and if you have any doubt you can comment on my video. And this is correct answer, and the IIT Delhi already published the answer, so I have checked the answer. So 55 is the right answer. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can comment, or you can write mail to me, so I'll try to reply you. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will get back to you with a new video. Thanks for watching.